QuickBooks Data Recovery, and today we're going to be talking a little bit off-topic things, in particular Honda Keyfob battery replacement. A friend of ours came in and was like, hey, can you change that? Sure, we can. So I'm going to explain here how to do this. It's pretty easy. So first thing, there is a little slider on this side of the fob. You can do it with your nail or you can do it with your finger. Just, if you look at it this way, slide it to the left a little bit, like this. See, it moves. And then once you slide it to the left, there is inner latch that keeps this metal part in, which is actually a key. So once you slide it in that way, you pull the key out, and then you see this part. Once you get to this point, all you gotta do is just pray it opposite ways, and then it gets separated like this. So once you get it separated, you will find the battery over here, which is CR2032. It's a single battery. Don't mix it with 2016. 16 and 32 is actually the thickness of the battery. So, and then pop it open. There we go. You can get this battery in Walmart, Target, or any other store. Again, this is 2032. Brand doesn't really matter, you can use any one. The well-known brands is gonna last you a little longer than the less known brands like Sony, Panasonic, Sanyo, Varta, anything like that will be just fine. So again, Honda Keyfob battery replacement. Good luck.